Hey guys, I'm here with
Yeah.
alright, Tonya and where you come from? Alright, Tonya from Greater Port Massawa. If you ship 13 packages with us and you got all delivered except 8, how much do we have outstanding to deliver to you?
Just a 30.
Yeah,
And 8 come and the rest don't come.
I'm reading.
That
That
is
is
it.
if you ship 13 packages with us and all were delivered except 8, how much do you have outstanding?
30 and 8. I said, much come?
Good question. One last time. Alright.